In front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Hardware and System.Info. Following that, tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!